Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I be all designing developer. My name is Inshal Beg. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Today I will show you that how to build one entire task project in JavaScript, and I hope you will also enjoy this project like you enjoy my previous project of JavaScript. So let's start. Now over here you can see I've just built this entire task project in JavaScript. So in this project you can see if I just not write any of the task and press this button, so over here you can see it is coming like please enter a task. Okay, so if I write my task like inshallah and if I press enter, so over here you can see now it is coming like inshallah, and if I not write any of the task and press enter, so over here you can see there is coming like please enter a task over here. Okay, if I just press refresh and if I write like book, then over here if I write school, then you have to come, and if I write install, then if I write over here like JavaScript and write over here Python, then if I write like that, like over here you can see that we have just written. And if you just want to click that all checkbox, you can also check that. Okay, like that you can see. Okay, so if you want to remove that by pressing this one button, you can remove that. Okay, you can see that I'm just removing. So now over here you can see now all things are clear. Okay, so it is some of the small project, but it is good project for making. So now for that you have to just open your text editor, which is called brackets. So I'll be just opening that by over here. Now over here you can see I've just opened that. So I'll be just cleared these all files because I don't need it of these. So I'll be just doing like that. And now here when you've done these all, just you have to come over here, and now I'll be writing that, and just you have to come over here at refresh. So over here I'll be just going to my index.html file. I will be just coming over here. Okay, and now in that I'll be just writing a starting code. So I'll be just pressing tab. So over here you can see all the starting codes has been appeared over here. Now just you have to come over here, and now I'll be writing link. So now my link tag has been written. So I'll be just coming, I'll be writing over here style dot css, which is my plain sheet name. So I'll be writing style dot css, which is my style sheet name. Now underneath that I'll be just coming and I'll be writing over here script tag. Okay, so in this script tag I will be defining my JavaScript sheet name. So I'll be writing src, and my script and my JavaScript sheet name is script.js. I'll be writing script.js. Now come underneath your link sheet, and over here I'll be writing all the code. So I'll be just coming and I'll be writing h1. Then over here I'll be writing over here like please enter a task. I'll be writing a task. Okay, so over here I'll be writing p like that, and I will be writing over here p tag. So I'll be writing p over here like that, and I'll be just erasing and I'll be just copy this, and I'll be just erasing these all things because now I don't need it, and it'll be paste over here. Now you can see now our task has been just coming, so we have just zoom in, so because of that it's looking like that. So I'll be just coming over here and I will be writing another thing. Just come over here and write input tag. So right over here input, then now our input has been just appeared, you can see that. And now over here I'll be just doing one thing. I'll be writing placeholder. So right over here like placeholder, then in that placeholder I will be writing over here enter a task. I'll be writing just come over here and write enter a task like that. Okay, you can see that we have just written that. Now over here you can just enter a task over here. Now when you've done that, you have to come underneath that, and I'll be just making button over here. So I'll be writing over here button tag. So now when you've done that, just you have to come over here and now write nothing. Just it was just empty button over here. I'll be just hitting save. Now over here when you've done that, just you have to come over here, and now I will be writing ul. Then over here I will be just coming underneath that, I'll be writing li tag. Then in that I'll be writing like install over here like that. If I just writing in list, I'll be writing that. Then in the front of that I'll be writing button tag. So right over here button like that. And now this button tag has been just we have written. So I'll be just copying this button tag from here. I'll be just paste that in my list, and over here it is coming in my list. So I'll be just erasing that from here because now I don't need it over here. I'll be just copying that and paste that over here like that. So now I will be just pasting that. So now over here when you've done that, just you have to do one thing. I'll be just hitting refresh. So over here it is coming like that, you can see that. I'll be just hitting save, and I will be going to my css file, and I'll be just coming over here. I'll be writing margin, which will be like 0 pixel. Then come and write over here like padding, which will be 0 pixel. So now right over here, just come over here, and now right over here padding, which will also be 0 pixel. So I'll be writing 0 pixel. Now when you've done that, just you have to come over here, and now I will be writing like just come over here and write box sizing. So we will just set this site with JavaScript. So I'll be just show you how to do. So I'll be just coming and I'll be writing border box. Now come over here, and now I will be writing another thing like just come over here, right over here font size. I'll be writing font size, which should be like 10 pixel. Come over here, write the font weight, which should be like uh 500. So I'll be writing over here like that. Now when you've done that, come over here and be writing font family. So I'll be writing over here font family over here, which should be like sans serif. So when you define that, you have to come over here now, and now I'll be just coming underneath over here. I'll be writing border, which should be like 1 pix solid white. So I'll be writing over here like that, and I'll be writing white. So when you've defined that, come over here, I'll be writing border, which should be like border color, and it should be white, so I'll be defining that. So when you've done that, you have to come over here. I'll be writing border none and outline none. So I'll be writing over here like border none. Then right over here outline should also be none. So now when you've done that, you have to come over here, and now I will be just coming underneath, and I'll be writing another thing like just come and write over here flex direction. This should be like column, so I'll be writing over here column. So now when you've done that, you have to come over here. I'll be writing flex wrap, which should be wrap reverse, so I'll be writing that. So now just when you've done that, you have to come over here. I'll be writing flex basis, which should be auto, so I'll be writing that. Now come over here and write over here like flex flow, which should be column. Now write over here like that. Come over here, right direction, which should be like inherit, so I'll be writing that. So when you've done that, you have to just come underneath, and I'll be writing over here like direction, we have defined that. And now I'll be writing over here justify content center, so I'll be writing justify content center. Then you have to come over here, I'll be writing align items in center. So now when you've done that, you have to come over here, I'll be writing display, which should be block load into center. Over here I'll be writing. So over here we have defined these all things. So now when you've done that, just you have to come over here again, and now I will be writing another thing like padding. We have defined these all, so I'll be just coming and I will be just pressing backspace. I'll be writing body tag, then right over here the padding, so I'll be defining the padding, which should be like 12 pixel. Then right over here like margin, which should also be 12 pixels, so I'll be writing margin 12 pixel. So when you've defined that, you have to just come over here now again, and I'll be writing another thing like just come over here, and now right over here like flex direction, which should be like columns. I'll be writing that. Now over here when you've done that all, just you have to come over here. Now I'll be writing over here flex wrap, so I'll be writing flex, I'll be just correct the spelling, so I'll be writing flex wrap, which should be only wrap. Then come over here, I'll be writing flex basis, which should be like auto. Then come and write flex flow, which should be like columns. I'll be writing that. Now over here you have to come and write only the direction, which should be like inherit, so I'll be writing inherit. Then you have to come over here, and now I will be writing over here justify content center, so I'll be writing justify content center. Now just come over here, I'll be writing align items in center, so I'll be writing that. Now when you've done that, come over here, I'll be writing display, which should be like flex. Now just come over here now, and I will be writing another thing. So just you have to do like just come over here, and now I will be writing over here float, which should be in center, so I'll be writing that in center. So now when you've done that, just you have to come over here now, and I will be writing another thing. So here when you've done these all things, just we have defined that now, and now I will be defining like just write border, which should be like 1 pix solid white, so I'll be writing 1 pix solid white. Then come over here, I'll be writing border color white, so I'll be defining border color white. Then here when you've defined these all things, just you have to come over here now, and I'll be writing font size, so I'll be writing font size, which should be like 15 pixel. Then write the font weight like to 600. Then come over here, I'll be writing font family, which should be like open sans comma sans serif, so I'll be writing that. So when you've defined these all things, just you have to do like sans serif, you have to write. Now over here I'll be just hitting save. Now it is just done. So when you've defined these all things, just you have to do like go to script.js file, and I'll be writing JavaScript. So I'll be coming, I'll be writing function document dot query selector. So here we have defined that. So now over here I'll be writing just come and write over here then dot add. So here when you've done that, come over here now, I'll be writing document equal document again, and I'll be just taking it to full screen like that. I'll be writing over here dot, and I will be just coming, I'll be writing over here dot query selector. So I'll be writing over here like query selector. So now when you've done that, just I'll be just zoom in, okay, so just you can see that. So I'll be just coming over here, and now here when you've done that, just you have to come over here, and now I'll be writing then equal document dot query selector. So now when you've done that, just you have to come over here, I'll be writing then. So when you've defined that, you have to just come over here now, I'll be writing like that. I'll be writing in brackets over here like document. So now when you've done that, just you have to do like that, and now we have defined that all. Just come over here and write function dot query selector. Then come over here and write function over here. So I'll be writing function. So when you've defined that, just you have to come over here now, and I will be writing over here like function dot then, and I'll be just coming, I'll be writing selector dot function. Then when you've done that, just you have to come over here, write then just you have to come over here, and I'll be writing curly brackets, then right over here like selector. So I'll be writing selector. Then when you've done that, come over here, write the function dot, I'll be writing over here like again, which should be like document. So I'll be writing that dot then. So when you've done that, just you have to come over here, I'll be writing over here like function. So when you've done that, just you have to write then over here. Now just write over here like function dot document again. So when you've defined that, just you have to come over here, and I'll be writing over here like selector. So I'll be writing over here selector function dot then dot, and I'll be writing document over here. So now when you've done that, just you have to come over here, and now I will be writing another thing like we have defined that. So I'll be writing function dot then then I'll be writing over here add dot document over here like that. So now when you've done that, you have to come over here, and now I'll be writing file selector like that. So here we have done till over here, just you have to come over here. Now I'll be writing over here then dot function, then you have to come and write over here then dot selector. So over here we have defined these all, just you have to come over here now, and I will be just coming underneath that again. I'll be writing function dot document right over here like dot, and I'll be just coming, I'll be just changing it to curly brackets now. And just when you define these all, just you have to come over here, I'll be also changing it to curly brackets. Now here you have to write selector. So we have done till over here, just you can see we have defined these all things. Now I will be just hitting save, and now just if I show you, it will be just looking like that. Okay, so yeah, just you have to come over here, let's write one thing like task dot enter word. So I'll be writing word like that. And now here when you've defined that all, just if I show you, so over here you can see now our entire task project in JavaScript has been ready. So if I just enter a task like install, and over here now my task has been coming. If I write over here then books, then write over here JavaScript, then HTML, then CSS. So okay, all the tags are coming, and if I press this checkbox, so it is also working over here, you can see that. And now if I just press this one, so over here you can see now it has been also working over here. If I just clear this all, okay, so like that you can build your own entire task project in JavaScript. So I hope you understand this project, and I hope you also enjoy this project like Jamal previous project of JavaScript. So just you have to practice this all project we are working with, and I hope will be a good programmer of JavaScript also like Europe, Python and HTML and CSS. So I will just meet you in next project. So for today, goodbye.